Welcome to another exciting episode of Famous Relaxation Tour. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating city of Dubai, the jewel of the United Arab Emirates. Whether it's the towering Burj Khalifa, the rich cultural history, or its reputation as a global trade hub, Dubai has something for everyone. Let's explore. As of 2024, Dubai is home to an impressive 3.79 million people, making it the most populous city in the UAE. Over 90% of this population consists of expatriates from all corners of the world. This incredible diversity adds to the city's vibrant culture and cosmopolitan lifestyle. Dubai's transformation is nothing short of remarkable. In the early 20th century, it was a modest fishing and pearl diving village. Fast forward to today, and it's a global hub for trade, tourism, and luxury. Dubai is synonymous with luxury. It boasts the second most five-star hotels in the world, and of course the tallest building on the planet, the Burj Khalifa. At 828 meters, it's a true architectural masterpiece. Strategically located on the coast of the Persian Gulf, Dubai is a major transportation hub for both passengers and cargo. Dubai International Airport is one of the busiest in the world, connecting people and goods across continents. Have you ever wondered what the name Dubai means? While its origins remain debated, one theory traces it to the Arabic word daba, meaning to creep, referencing the slow flow of Dubai Creek. Another interpretation ties it to the phrase Daba Dubai, meaning they came with a lot of money. While Dubai is celebrated for its achievements, it's not without challenges. The city's financial secrecy and low taxes have made it a haven for some controversial activities, including money laundering. However, Dubai continues to work on balancing growth with transparency. That's all for today's journey through Dubai. What fascinates you the most about this incredible city? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing explorations.